I'm going to Plasti Dip the spoiler on my Panda because I liked it black better than white. And over here, I'm going to mess around and do the handles just because I can. Now, these handles are pretty awesome because you could just pop them off. So if you take the key here, you can pop it out, and it has a little spot right for the key where you can take it out just like that as a clip. Now myself, I didn't do that just because I already had it masked off by the time I figured that out. For you guys, you can do that if you want to, but you don't have to. So this is what it looks like. That's definitely one of the great things that I love about Plasti Dip is I could do so much random stuff to my car, see what I think about it. I don't have to stick with it. I'm not sure if I like the little door handle black piece that I put on there. It kind of looks like a thumbnail or something like that. I'll leave it on for a few days, see if I still like it. If I don't, I'll peel it right off. Let me know what you guys think. I'll show you a couple pictures right here. So thanks for watching another video by FrankieGisMe, and I'm out.